we will make the pepper pork. The pepper pork is the steam roast pork. So when the pork gets a little fried, we mix it up. This one you will get a crispy skin. Hi guys, welcome to Quan Chef. Today we make it pepper pork and crispy skin roast pork. So let's go.
Cutting up pork.
Right, we do it on roast pork. We have it and we make it crispy here. So it's fried to get all the crispy here. Okay, here. This crispy skin, after we cut it up, we will make the pepper pork. The pepper pork is the steam roast pork. We get it here. Ya te voy a pasar. We cut it up from the same one we've now fried. And this one coming here to make it the pepper pork. The pepper pork is fried and seasoning pepper. So we have ready all the onion, pepper, chalobeni ready here. So when the pork gets a little fried, we mix it up. So get all the flavor to be ready. Pero cállate, no hables. Anytime the pork is finished, we start to fry. So always the pork is hot. When we go cut it, we get it the crispy here.
That's the skin, yeah?
This is the skin. So that is what make the roast pork crispy skin. All this is skin. Get it crispy and hot and nice. And we have here some roast pork. This one gonna be leg. And this one is the ribs and belly. So when we sell and we cut it up, you will get in your order some crispy but also some meat. So don't go be only fat, you will get it mixed. Okay. And this one is ready. Everything is made by order. So you get it hot for sure. And for sure now you have to touch it. So we will keep this one for you. And I gonna make one with crispy for you to try also. doing this one, you will get a crispy skin. Pásame una liga ahí. So now, you have these two. Have crispy and pepper pot. We have a dressed with soy sauce and ketchup, and that is how you will dress your food. If you want extra pepper, well, you put more. This one is not pepper. It's just roast pork and season. I don't know how much it is. A little thing in there. Oh, and this one? Good. Nice, jacket.
Amazing.
And with this one, okay.
Oh,
Medium high. Okay. How much pepper you eat?
not a lot.
No?
This one. What is hot? This one. Wonderful. Oh.
Alright. Okay.